So here we are once again, David Nunn, Realtor with Keller Williams Realty. Today we have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condominium townhouse style with double car garage, 1,500 square feet. Community association amenities include the tennis court and swimming pool. This first showing on this particular property won't be until March 15th from 1 till 5. This is basically a coming soon feature. If you have any particular questions on this property, you can give me a call at area code 818-300-3030. Thank you very much.